Good afternoon. As we have all seen the interview of HR manager of Huawei Technologies India Limited, how he has shown the story of Huawei Technologies India Limited coming to India and setting up their base in Gurgaon, which is their management office, and as well as their R&D department in Bangalore. He has emphasized on the telecommunications sector of India and how are the innovations playing a big role in developing the telecommunication sector in India. This is of his company and how they are reaching in a very user-friendly way to the individuals as well as to the corporate world. Also emphasized on the clients of the company, which include Reliance, Tata, Bharti and Spice Telecom. On the telecommunication sector being responsible in reducing the gap between the rural and the urban India. It has also emphasized how the government of India can play a main role in the promotion of this sector. First of all, he told that financial aid should be given to the sector from the government, as well as the subsidies should be increased so that this sector could be well reached to the rural India. Conclusion of this interview, this sector can be well promoted in the country if we have three main points that are supply side opportunities, facilitating impact of ICT, improving access to the education. How this sector can be increased in India. Let me discuss three main points. Number one is to invest in human capital. Two, create coherent infrastructure. And three is build partnerships between the telecom industry and the government of India.
Well, good evening. As we have interviewed Mr. Vivek Kumar Srivastava, so we are here. I'm just commenting over the interview. Mr. Vivek Kumar Srivastava, as you have seen, that he is a very friendly person, is very helpful, is very cordial, dedicated to work, well qualified, having a master's degree in the business administration and IT. He is responsible HR manager and mainly responsible for the recruitment and the training activities in the company, Huawei Technologies India Limited. It is a multinational company which exists in the 40 countries. In India, it is having the big base of near 31 clients, which is providing the services and technologies to 31 major players in the telecommunication. Those players are like Reliance, Tata, Bharti India Limited, and many more. It is providing the Wi-Fi, WiMAX, 3G technology, CDMA and other IoT products. And it is recently now going to launch the 4G technologies in the market. While answering a few questions, Mr. Vivek Kumar Srivastava, I would like to discuss it. And he felt a little bit hesitant to answer them, but it was only due to some companies' policies and all this. So, one more thing he told us that the company is having in existence the 19,000 patents, and recently it has filed the 2,000 more to get the patents. Also, he has contributed in the social causes like the tsunami and many earthquakes in India. So it is having, it is fulfilling all the conditions of the corporate social responsibilities as well. We will discuss about the culture of the company. So there were strict timings which everyone has to follow. As you all have seen, is during the lunch hours that each and every person stood up from its table sharp at 1:30 and come back sharp at 2. So I would like to discuss this that they follow the strict timings. Each and every employee of the company, they follow the strict timings, as they all stood up from their lunch at the lunch timings of 1:30 and they came back sharp at 2. So exact timings are in that office. And also, even the HR manager, Mr. Vivek Kumar Srivastava, he followed the strict timings as he did not want to waste the company's time. He made the proper use of the company's time as he gave the appointment as during the lunch hour. Well, if we talk about the location of the company, then the location was very good. When we entered the area, the 32nd milestone, we saw over there a number of corporate offices. We just saw the hub of corporate offices, the multinational corporate offices like Oracle and this Hyundai, and many more offices were there. So at last, I would like to add one more thing, that we all felt comfortable over there, and we enjoyed this interview with Mr. Vivek Kumar Srivastava a lot.